How to delete Taobao account permanently. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Taobao account permanently. To delete your Taobao account permanently, first of all open your application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the account icon. Simply tap on it and then in this page here tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Now here under account and security section, look for account and security option and then tap on it. By doing so, you will be taken to your account page. Now here at the very bottom, you will be able to see the option delete account. Simply tap on delete account. And after that, you will be taken to this page. Now here, you will need to select one of these regions in order to cancel your account. Once after selecting one of these regions, tap on the next button at the very bottom. Now a pop-up will appear. Here it will try to give you the solution for your problem. But if you still want to delete or deactivate, simply tap on still want to deactivate button right here and then wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be presented with this interface. Here you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Review all of the information given here and tap on the little circle to check it and state that you have read and agreed to the terms. Now tap on the next step at the very bottom. Now a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on this orange button and then you will be taken to this page. Here after successful verification of your identity, you will see you have successfully deleted your Taobao account. Now you can simply tap on this confirm button and then your account will be removed successfully. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Taobao account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.